Jamaican ghost stories that will keep you up at night. Grandfather's land. Full story. In the 50s, a man bought land in St. Thomas, Jamaica to build his first house. They say it was part of a cemetery and there was a grave in a part of the yard. They say he bought the land because he was a miser and he got it for cheap. He married a young woman and many years later, he became a grandfather and split up his land when his grandchildren went to pick mangoes and made a lot of noise. An old duppy man would dream their grandfather saying that they were disturbing his sleep. The yard was so haunted that the granny lost one of her daughters in the 60s. She was just a toddler when she passed away. The spirits that haunt the property took her life. Granny became a born-again Christian after the loss of her toddler. The duppy them haunted the whole house and were very demonic. Over the years, Granny learned how to pray against the duppydom that haunt her land and terrorized her family. One of the duppydom even tried to kidnap one of their grandchildren. They had to plead the blood of Jesus and read Bible and use holy water to run the duppy. They never believed in using obeah oil and those things. They only believed in spiritual healers who wore white and wrapped their heads. To this day, the duppydom still try to show up in the yard and even try to enter the house, but Granny afraid of them. Granny runned in. Follow Jamaican True Stories on YouTube. Link in bio.